Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So today I want to talk about the scenario where YouTube stops paying creators, meaning you no longer get any type of monetization for the videos that you put up. Now, this is something that I think is bound to happen at some point because YouTube, as it grows, as more and more people are on the internet, as more creators are on the platform, they're basically going to have to pay more creators in general. And so that actually costs Google money. And also, if you look at historically, whenever YouTube started, for many years, nobody's getting paid. There was no monetization program for creators. But more importantly, if you look at all the other platforms out there on the internet, really big platforms, YouTube is really the only major platform that's actually paying creators. And so if you look at other platforms like Facebook, they do have a monetization program. And there's also Amazon too. If you get into their whole Amazon Prime or creator program, there's something available for them there. But there's not really a single large platform that actually pays you as a creator to upload your content. Now, when I'm talking about getting paid from these platforms, I'm not talking about getting paid through donations or memberships. It's like there's other platforms like Steemit or other blockchain decentralized platforms where you can get paid directly, or you can go through Patreon. I'm not talking about those things. I'm talking about, hey, I created a video, I uploaded it, and I get paid from it through ads. And so if you don't know how Google pays its creators, or even Facebook, they use a program, at least for Google, called Google AdSense. And Google AdSense is the program that allows you as a creator to get paid from ads. And the way the ads are funded are through Google's advertising platform, Google Ads. So all the advertising that you see, somebody like myself who is a digital marketer, we're actually buying ads. We're doing media buys through Google Ads, and a portion of that money that we pay for the ads goes to Google AdSense, which goes to you, the creator. Now for Facebook, it works very similarly. Facebook has Facebook ads, which is the second largest ad platform. And so whenever they buy ads there through their program, they give a cut of that to the creators. So they work very similarly. And for Amazon, they also have Amazon ads. Now, it's not quite as large as Google ads or Facebook ad, but it's continually growing. And every major platform, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Snapchat, they all have ads available for people to purchase to show on their platform. And then there's many other ways that people or companies can buy ads. There's much larger things for DSPs, SSPs. So if you're in the whole marketing world, you know what that means. And so a lot of these platforms, they make the majority of their money through ads. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so if you are somebody who is a creator and you're thinking YouTube is not fair, which is valid, if they ever stop paying creators, or maybe through a lot of algorithm changes, the payments are less, well, think about all the other options that you have. You really don't have any other options. And the most important thing is, if you think about all these other platforms, nobody is paying those creators really, but yet they're still creating content. And so I really feel that if YouTube were to stop monetization, which I think could very well happen in the future, people would still create content and the platform would still grow, because there's so many other platforms out there, like 99%, that do not pay their creators. And so those are my thoughts on that. If you actually have any thoughts on YouTube monetization or any other platforms that pay creators, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see more of my YouTube tutorials, tips, and thoughts, I'll leave my playlist in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.